Hi and welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you how I clean my kitchen and to be a little bit more motivated for you to clean also. So let's get started. For the beginning of my cleaning I want to make a coffee because it's in the afternoon. I just come home from work and I treat myself with a nice coffee. So I hope you will enjoy this video and find it motivated. So I have my coffee with me. Just I want to put some cream. I will make some milk cream with my milk frother. I have also my water with me because when I clean I need more to be more hydrated, so I put a little bit of milk and just work with my milk frother. It makes the milk more smoother and creamier, like you just order a latte or a coffee with milk from the Starbucks. I love it how easy I can do it from my own home. So I just put the milk and look very good. Like there are three colors in my coffee. So cheers on my coffee, and I will start cleaning. So my kitchen is nice and clean. I like to have a clean kitchen, and in the days with sun I'm more motivated to clean. Hopefully you will find motivated this video. Look how beautiful are these flowers. I received it from my husband for Valentine's Day, and I love it so much. These are my favorite flower of the spring. They are called freesia, and I absolutely love it. Hopefully you will find this video motivated, and if you like to see more clean videos or videos about hair care routine, skincare, wellness and other beauty tricks, I will invite you to join my channel, to subscribe to my channel and to like this video. I post every Sunday, and you can find me also on my Instagram. You can find the link in the description box below. So I will enjoy my coffee, and I hope you will find motivation in this video to clean too. See you on my next one. Bye bye.